Real Numbers Unit 1 test. Remember to circle your level of understanding before you start the test. 1 means you don't think you're going to do well, 4 means you think you're going to get 100. Number 1. Which list shows the numbers in order from least to greatest? Least to greatest. Number 2. Which Venn diagram correctly represents the relationship between rational numbers and irrational numbers? A. A real number box with rational over here, separate from irrational, because the rational numbers and irrational numbers have no numbers in common. B. Real numbers, we have rational and irrational and they overlap, because some irrational numbers are also rational numbers. C. We have real numbers, we have irrational numbers, and we have rational numbers inside of that, because all rational numbers are also irrational numbers. Or D. We have the real number box, rational numbers, and irrational numbers, because all irrational numbers are also rational numbers. Which of those 4 is true? Number 3. Point Q is shown on the number line. Which value best represented by point Q? Which of these is point Q? Number 4. Which value of x makes the inequality true? 1/7 is less than x is less than 17%. Which of these plugged into x makes it true? Number 5. Which list shows the numbers in order from least to greatest? Which is from least to greatest? Number 6. There are 570,000 subscribers to the City Enquirer. How is this number written in scientific notation? How is this number in scientific notation? Number 7. 4 plumbers estimated the length of the radius of a cylinder pipe. The estimates made by the plumbers are listed. Plumber W estimated the radius had a length of 3/25 inches. Plumber X estimated that the radius had a length of the square root of 3/11 inches. Plumber Y estimated that the radius had a length of 9/100 inches. And Plumber Z estimated that the radius had a length of pi/24 inches. Which list shows these lengths in order from greatest to least? Greatest to least. Number 8. Which number line shows the best approximation of the square root of 220? Which of these is where square root of 220 goes? Number 9. Which of the following best describes the value of the square root of 130? A. The value of the square root of 130 is between 12 and 13. B. The value of square root of 130 is between 11 and 12. C. The value of the square root of 130 is between 10 and 11. Or D. The value of 130 is between 9 and 10. Last question, number 10. Which statement is true? Which of these is true? Remember to put the plus right here, 2 plus 1/4. And that is all.